Hello, happy Pride Month. Welcome to the Green Club Shed, and today I thought I'd make a one piece, no sew dress like they're wearing. I bought this material, this rainbow pride-ish material, for making a bag, but I didn't realise the colour was going to go all the way through it. And then you can also use a piece of cotton or a t-shirt. I've cut up a t-shirt here and I've just hemmed it. As you can see, I've just glued it. But what I've got for the rainbow piece is some lace trim. So I've cut it. These are 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters or 8 inches by 4 inches. So it's quite simple. So with the black one, all is what I do. Piece of material, two little cuts in the hat and under the little piece, just enough to get their arm through. I used to do this when I was a kid. I used to make all my Barbies and Gem and the holograms all little. And as you can see, she's already wearing one that I've done, which isn't bad, but as you can see at the back, it's got a little bit. And then what I use, this is 5 inches, or it's 13 centimeters, and basically this was an inch thick. I glued one side and then the other side, and then I put a little bit of Velcro on it just to make a bow, just a basic one, and it works. So as you can see, there's the other piece that I've got, and then so easy. So you can either take it from the front or you can take it from the back. So let's take it from the front this time. And then we wrap it round again. Ooh, I don't think I've made the hole big enough. Yeah, I think it is. It's just a hand. That's it. Oh, and her bracelet's cool. And if you noticed, she's got a pride bracelet on, a little pride one that I made for her. So there we go. So there's another crisscross dress. We can take the leather belt, make it, and then if you wanted to, take the shoulders down again. It's quite cute, quite simple to make. And then this one, which I'm going to make for you now, same material, or satin material, 20 centimeters length, 10 centimeters width. I've got this pink trim, but then you could use white trim. And there's the pink trim all rolled up. And then as you notice, she's got a belt on, or she's got a ribbon as a belt, but you can use any ribbon. And then I found out this little bracelet things that I bought, they're only £1. This was only a sample, this was only 99p, eBay, 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So let's stick these on and let's make her a pride dress. And remember, with glue gun, it's always hot. I think it's quite a pretty colour. It does look like a rainbow, so I like all that. That's it. Any little ends you want to stick down. So I've made a simple, I have to put a little bit more glue on there. The silly thing when you use glue, you're not sewing. Oops. I usually have a lolly stick that I stick it all down with. Right. So we're going to make 2 little incisions. Use my other scissors. So just tiny little mark. Just to get a hand in. Just one. And 2. So just make sure all this ribbon's down, this hemming. Right. And then I've done my 2 holes in there. And then what I'm going to do, I dressed her like this, I'll show you. I holded that bit up to there, as you can see, twizzled that bit round. See it, make sure that bit's covered. And then make sure all the hem's right. And I've got the belt. And there we go. See? So I'm going to show you another dress now. If you work at it, it looks quite good, I think. See if I can move her. I think the dress looks really good. And then I've got the bag that she's got in her arm coming up in an upcoming project soon. So let's show you the other dress. So now we go from this side over. Twizzle it round. That's it. And then we want to get this hand in. That's it. And if we get the belt. There we go. And if we twizzle up the back, some of the hem. That's it. She can look like she's got a nice back gap. I think it looks quite good. And you can make loads of ways of designing it. There's not just that way. There's so many ways you can do it. Anyway, I hope you like my no-sew one piece of material dress, maybe with a bit of hem, or you could just use a piece of t-shirt. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like. Bye.